Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Even if you're not into spicy foods, adding a little bit of fresh chili to your guacamole adds the right kind of flavor. Of course, if you like spicy foods, feel free to liberally add in jalapenos, habanero or serranos.
Take our lead.
Traditionally, guacamole does have jalapenos and spices. But it is often made with avocado, pico de gallo, tomatoes, cilantro, onions, lemon juice, and some spices. Guacamole requires avocados as the primary ingredient. Full stop.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Flavor. The ideal guacamole should taste fresh and like a perfectly ripe avocado. Guac also needs more than just avocado flavor. Onion, tomato, lime, garlic, salt and cilantro are all welcome to the fiesta in good measure. Texture. A good guacamole should have a bit of texture to it.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Things other than chips to dip in guacamole. Veggies. If you're seeing raw vegetables appearing next to the guacamole bowl with more frequency, there's a great reason. These dippers satisfy the crunch factor that guac seems to require, and that we all love. Pineapple and other fruits. Shrimp. Crackers and breadsticks. Taro chips.
Take our lead.
The base ingredient of guacamole is avocados, which have a creamy texture and a nutty flavor, making them a perfect canvas for any ingredients that fit your tastes. Like it hot? Toss in some spicy jalapenos. Like it sweet?
Make your mark. Take our lead.
3 hours. Let the guacamole sit in the fridge covered tightly, for at least an hour or more. This allows the flavors time to really spread. I found that 3 hours was the best time frame to allow it to sit.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Tomatoes are great, but not in guac. They don't add anything other than filler. When you eat guac, what you want is creamy avocado, fresh lime, savory onion, salt, and maybe a little cilantro, if that's your thing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.